Hello, friends. It's Sunday. I'm at school. We're all going to make this happen because you're awesome. So am I. And we have a great class. So, this video is all about where to find things and how to turn things in for my class. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open a new Google Doc. Well, let's start here. Go to It's Learning. So where can I find that here? You can go to the BCSC homepage, or let's just go back all the way to the homepage. Ta-da, news around the district, then right here is It's Learning. All you have to do is click on that, right? Ta-da, It's Learning. Hopefully you all know this by now. You're gonna log in. Again, super exciting. Then wait patiently. Enjoy the serene moment. It may not come again. And then, of course, you're going to go to your class, and we're just going to start right here with courses. And you're going to log in to that class. And the first thing you want to do is go to the Plans tab. Always go to the Plans tab. Always go to the Plans tab. Everything's going to be under the Plans tab. So always go to the Plans tab. No plans are available. Start writing your... Oh, it's the wrong class. Do you ever get frustrated with It's Learning? I know I do. Man, I'd much rather have you guys here where we could sit and talk about this stuff. Makes it so much easier. So let's see if this will be the right class. Why, look, it is. Huzzah! All right. So then always go to the Plans tab. Let's try this. And go down to Plans. And my view may be a little different than yours at the moment because I'm in the teacher view. And of course, using the Chromebook is always the most, useful thing in the world because it's not going to let me scroll down. Can I scroll down this way? Okay. Scroll down the bottom. And you're going to find the plan. And then there'll always be days listed. You want to look at this date for sure. Like these are from Thursday and Friday, 11.5 and 11.6, or the 5th of November or the 6th of November. There'll be our purpose, habits of mind to use for that assignment, and then a copy of the questions themselves. Now, I haven't put the next assignment in here yet, and maybe I should just go ahead and do that right now. It's called this: How to Find and Turn Things in Mr. Britton's class. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you open the new assignment on this It's Learning tab is open that assignment. Just click on it. And this one is for Earth Space. It says Exploration Questions, Continental Drift, and Plate Tectonic Theory. Awesome stuff, by the way. So click on that, and it's going to open up. Be patient. Of course, always be patient. And when in doubt, be patient. Enjoy the serene moments where you can. And then you should be able to scroll down. You want to always copy and paste the whole assignment. So this one, come on, work with Mr. Britton. Be my friend, little computer. You say, then you go over here, if it's a Chromebook, like I'm currently using, say, copy, there we go, and go to a new Google Doc. And you're going to open a new Google Doc. And again, just be patient between the clicks. When in doubt, be patient. Open a blank one. And then edit. Paste. Ta-da. Come on, there they all are. Oh, how obnoxious is all that? So it put the name and signature stuff at the bottom. Delete that off right away if it does that. I don't look at this format. How rotten is that? How complicated? Oh my gosh. Why would it do that? See what you can do about cleaning it up. because it's being not helpful. Like, why did it do that? I don't know. Block, block, block. This would be so confusing for me if I was a student. I'm so sorry. I hope it's not this confusing for you. Aye, aye, aye. So here's the one I'm about to post. Let's look at it. It's called How to Find and Turn Things In Mr. Britton's Class. Straightforward enough, I hope. So you're just going to, again, copy. Go to edit, copy, which is much preferable to me than this little thing over here. But, that's me. You guys know what you're about. I don't necessarily. Let's just ditch that. And then open a new Google Doc. And open a blank one. Because you're patient. Because you're patient. See? It pays off. And as it catches up with you, because, you're smarter than the computer, you're going to paste. Ta-da. So I know now. This is something I'm learning. Because, yay, e-learning again. We all get to learn again. Woohoo! I'll remember to put all these in Google Docs so that the formatting is easy to copy and paste. So you're going to do that first. All right. And then the next thing I want you to do is put your name in it. Mr. Awesome. Or whatever your name is. You know who you are. Hopefully. And then you're going to start answering the questions. Like, when I go to It's Learning for Mr. Britton's class, what tab do I use to find work? I use the Plans tab. Look at this. I'm giving you answers. I want it to be this nice and does it help when I point at the computer? I want it to be this nice and neat. That way I can easily find it and grade it. Because I'm going to print these out and grade by hand because it's just faster. So there you go. So here's the big question. Do I put all the assignments in the same Google Doc or do I start a new one? Please do start a new Google Doc for each assignment. Please start a new Google Doc for each assignment. Do not, see the angry face? Do not, please do not try and put all these in the same assignment or just send me a random link. Put them, this is so complicated. Why is this complicated? Do put them in a new assignment. Always. So there's your answer to that one. Do I put all the assignments in the same Google Doc? Yuppers. Always. We're going to try that this time. Remember, this is a big experiment, and we're going to keep working things out as we go. But always send me, always start a new Google Doc for each new assignment. Do I put my name on each new assignment? Darn tootin'. I do. Yeah, I need you to put your name on each assignment, like right here where it says Mr. Awesome. I put my name because, that's what all my friends call me when I'm not here. So yeah, definitely put your name on each assignment right there. And in the title, turning things in and Mr. Make sure you put the title as the same as it is here. Mr. Britton's class. And it would be very helpful if you put your name in there too, Mr. Awesome. Do I copy and paste the title and questions or just write answers? Do copy and paste the questions. Do copy and paste the questions. Do not just write answers. Do copy and paste the questions. Do not just write answers. Do not just write answers. Do copy and paste the questions as well as the answers. Fair enough? So the answer to this one is I copy and paste the questions as well as right answers. You got to do both. Here's your next question. When I am done with an assignment, should I send Mr. Britton a link to that assignment? And the answer is yes. Yes, I know I have to send Mr. Britton a new link with each new assignment on a new Google Doc. Because remember, put each assignment on a new Google Doc. Do send me a link. Do not just assume I can find your document. In the email you send it, do ask me to reply. Do not assume I have your assignment. Do send me a new link with each new assignment, and each new assignment goes on a new Google Doc. Got it? I thought so, because you're smart. All right, so then question 6. Tab down. How often should I contact Mr. Britton? Well, the answer to that is every day. You need to contact me every day. You know, call the school, email me. If you're really brave, send me an email with your phone number in it, and I'll text you. We can text about work. I know school is probably not the most exciting thing to be on your phone about, but we're in a very difficult, confusing situation, guys. Things are changing rapidly, and we've got to use whatever tools we can. So get a hold of me every day. Every day, every day, every day, every day. Do get a hold of me every day. Do not ignore me and forget that I exist. Do not forget about this class. Do think of it fondly. Think of the happy memories and the laughter. So what are the best ways to contact Mr. Britton? Well, there are probably several ways, but the best way, and you should be checking this every day, is my school email. That's the best way to contact me, is the school email. And then it's learning messages, or I can call the school and talk to him, or if I am brave, I can text with him. All these things are possibilities, okay? And then, does this assignment count for a grade? Yep. You got to do this one too. I'm going to post it with this video in what I believe they call, and I've never tried to do this, so bear with me on this. They call it a learning path, So you have to watch the video and do the assignment next. So it'll make you do it in order. I'm going to try it. Give me some feedback about it, of course. Definitely do this assignment. Turn it into me via email. You got to send me a new link for each new assignment on a new Google Doc. I can't emphasize that enough. I'm going to try and store them very carefully and print them out. And you got to do this one too. Again, if you need to find things, go to the Plans tab. It should all be there. It looks like this.